Hello students, today's topic is Model Auxiliary Used to. Subject teacher Najan Kamal Bansi. Used to, something that happened for a long or a short time in the past and may or may not happen anymore. The auxiliary used to expresses a discontinued habit. Use the first form of the main verb in these kind of sentences. For example, I used to play badminton when I was a kid. May not be playing anymore. Used to model auxiliary structure of the sentence subject plus used to plus verb 1 plus object. Model sentences are here. He used to play with you. We used to talk to each other. He used to meet me. Used to model sentences are here. More model sentences. You used to watch a movie every day. We used to run daily. I used to sing ghazals. He used to think a lot. I used to read novels. Used to negative sentences. Negative sentences, the structure of the sentence, subject plus did not plus used to plus verb 1 plus object. And model sentences are here. I did not used to eat meat. I did not used to play football. We did not use to meet daily. They did not use to attend karate class every day. Try to understand all the sentences and the structure of the sentence. Used to interrogative sentences. Structure of the sentences. WH plus did plus subject plus used to plus verb 1 plus object and question mark. Model questions are here. Let's concentrate on these model questions. When did we use to visit that zoo? What did the teacher use to teach? Where did you use to live? When did she used to come? And here are some interrogative negative sentences. Let's concentrate. Why did he not use to talk you? Why did we not use to meet him? Used to verbal questions. Did he use to do exercises? Did she use to collect colorful stones? Did they use to play football? Did you use to meet him daily? Did children use to run? Used to plus be sentences. Used to expresses or gives information about the situation. The structure of the sentences, subject plus used to plus be plus object. And model sentences are here. He used to be sick. Questions used to be hard. She used to be late. TV sets used to be costly. Concentrate on that model sentences. Read them carefully. You will understand this topic well. Here used to expresses or gives information about the situation. Next topic, used to as habitual. Used to, something or someone you are habituated to or familiar with. And structure of the sentences, subject plus am or is or are, was or were, will be or have or has been, had been, plus used to, plus object or verb ing. This is the structure of the sentence. Used to as habitual. Used to habitual. Model sentences are here. Shilpa is used to this weather. I am used to driving in traffic. I am used to working till late. We are used to living in villages. We will be used to it just in a month. He has been used to this computer now. We have been used to listening to his nonsense stories. Concentrate on model sentences. You will understand it well. Used to habitual. Used to habitual. Negative sentences are here. Deepak is not used to walking on foot. I am not used to getting up early. They are not used to this weather. These are negative sentences. Now let's concentrate on interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are here. Is Sima used to this heat? Is he used to working 8 hours? Is Kedar used to traveling by bus? Is everyone in this office used to working overtime? Read all interrogative sentences. These are model sentences. Children, today we have learned used to as model auxiliary. Read all the model sentences and all types of sentences very well and try to understand it well. Thank you. Goodbye.